question. Both of these plugs here go into the distributor. But which one? Damon, which one?
What do these go to?
What did I go to? Holy moly. We took this apart about 10 to 13 years ago. Just now going back together. We had to weld and mill the intake manifold. Got that bolted on this morning. So then the lid goes on and lots of fun. Lots of fun. Well, here we go. Batteries and wiring in. Check this one. Woohoo! That's cool, right? But wait, there's more.
Yeah.
Not good. One does not equal the other. Shit. So we gotta pull the motor to get to the starter because it is way back. You can't even touch it, let alone pull it out. So there you go. It's alive. Okay, boat update. Ran into another problem. That one now runs fine. That one's not putting water out the exhaust because if you dive down here, you come in and look right there. Freeze plug came out from freezing. And we're gonna try and get that back in.
Yep.
Alright, here we are, one motor out, one hanging. Guess my load test work. Alright, where are the freeze plugs? What do you think?
Doug.
What?
We can't find Doug.
What are you saying, Phil? We're getting married.
Great movie to start off another crazy day of working on a boat. So did have a side job of wanting to rebuild the top end on this guy, but crank failure and the crank broke. But starter failed on this guy, so now we're pulling an engine again. Never a dull moment when you have a boat. Don't buy a boat. You'll be breaking out about another 1,000 every week. Ah, fun. Ready, go. All right, do you see the starter? It's way back in there. This is why we gotta pull an engine, because you can't even get your hand in here, let alone to the bottom of the engine. It's just stupid, ridiculous. You can't even touch it from here. So there you go. It sucks. But good thing I got that. We can pull the engine. Alright, here we go. That's why the starter failed. This is supposed to have been a rebuild starter. But here we are, record time. It's 8 o'clock. Got a motor out, starter out. Alright, going to Summit Racing to buy some high dollar expensive MSD starters. Ta-da! Woohoo, got a new starter. So wait, what's that? Bent valve. Pull the spark plug. That was loose. We're thinking detonation. The guy didn't do what he said he did. Now we're pulling the motor apart. Well, here we are in the shop. So check out that valve. Very tuliped. Almost melted and came off. So we're waiting for a new valve, because the guys that did the boat engines originally did not properly set up the computer for air-fuel ratio and boost and timing configuration. So this has to be done on a dyno and calibrated, and you have to run with it because there's no O2 sensors for live fuel trim adjustments. So we're going back to old school. Distributor and carburetor. So what we want to do, I know from experience with this cam, we want a total of about 34 degrees ignition timing. That's at full RPM. We want it in by 2,500 RPM. I'm guessing with the cam, our initial timing is going to be 16 before top dead center. We might have to adjust it, but this is going to get us in the ballpark. So we come over to the chart, find out what we need to run as far as hardware. So it's looking like a black bushing and two light blue springs. So you have to change out the springs here, and there's a bushing right in the bottom here. You gotta take apart. They look like this. That'll give you the centrifugal force to come in advance of timing. So at 2,500 RPM we'll have 18 degrees of timing on top of our initial for a total 34. We'll go with that. Then we'll get the carburetors and go from there. That's where we're at. Story time. Yep. So number 5 ate a spark plug. Don't know if it's because it ran lean. Look at it, tuliped this exhaust valve. Yep. What do you think? We were just going to put a starter in it.
Yeah.
We were just going to do a starter. Now we're doing an engine build. So don't change your starters. You'll end up rebuilding an engine. Well, here we go. Shop update. Still waiting on parts for the boat. Got Joe's Corvette in here with bitchin' wheels. Waiting on those. But look at that burnt light. Burnt light out. Burnt light. I tried changing one on a ladder, and that was too sketchy. So I found this used thingy here on eBay. It's So yep, I got a credit card. Let's check it out. Here we go. This is way safer than a ladder. Going up. Oop. That something broke. Check it out, there's a light. Got a squeak. May need some maintenance. Here we go. 20 feet up. Way safer. Yep. Alright, there you go. That's the update. Oh, here we are in the shop today. It's boat day. Damon finally got some parts. So, we got a brand new, very expensive manifold that we waited years and years for. Now we're going to cut it up. Well, it doesn't fit. There you go. What do you think of that?
I'm gonna go grab my coffee, get some clothes.
Well, it fits now. So look at this bad boy carburetor. Very cool. MSD.
It's like $3,000 in carburetors, that's all.
Yep. Tell us how you really feel. Okay, you know we gotta document this. Is it gonna start or not? Been sitting for 9 months. Let's see what she does. There's one. There's two. Woohoo! Now, see if we got water.
Now that's the sound.
Water on both sides. Bring the drive in before he turns.